makipagkita or magkikita kayo, no? It was fated, no? Sinasabi rito kung itong pagkikita na to ay it was fated, no? Kumbaga dapat nangyari talaga, no? And then maybe for some of you, dahil nagkakaroon ng realization dito, no, with the spiritual awakening, no, nagigising sa connection, right, na meron kayo, no, something like that, no, kung sino man itong kadil ninyo or kakonect ninyo, no, mga Aquarius natin, no. So this person is, or both of you, no, or ikaw, nagkakaroon ng realization, no, something like that, no. Spiritual awakening din, no, nagkakaroon ng openness, no, sa spirituality, no, something like that. That's why fated itong pagkikita ninyo ng tao na ito, no, mga Aquarius, no, kung sino man ito, right? No, so tignan naman natin additional messages pa for you, Aquarius. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you.